Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're diving into an incredible tool that can help you create 30 viral short videos in just 1 hour. You heard that right, 30 videos, and the best part? You can earn up to $550 per video. Let's change the game with this insane AI tool. Let me introduce you to, name of the tool, the AI powerhouse that's going to revolutionize your content creation game. This tool is like having a team of video editors, script writers, and marketing gurus all rolled into one. Imagine this. You can generate captivating scripts, add eye-catching visuals, and even optimize your videos for different platforms, all with a few clicks. Now you're probably thinking, this sounds complicated. Trust me, it's not. Signing up is a breeze. Just head over to website address, create your free account, and boom, you're in. Let's break down this awesome dashboard. On the left, you've got all your tools neatly organized. On the right, you'll see a preview of your masterpiece in the making. And at the top, all the settings and customizations you need to fine-tune your videos to perfection. Now for the fun part, creating your first viral video. Choose a template, add your flair, and let the AI work its magic. The AI will analyze trending topics and suggest the perfect ingredients to make your video go viral. Let's talk about the real game changer here, the AI capabilities. The AI analyzes millions of data points to craft scripts that hook viewers, generate attention-grabbing visuals, and even predict what's going to be trending next. You have complete control over every aspect of your videos. Add your own branding, tweak the colors, choose from a library of music and sound effects. The possibilities are endless. This tool is packed with tips and tricks to maximize your reach. From using attention-grabbing hooks to incorporating trending sounds, you'll learn everything you need to create videos that people can't help but share. Whether you're targeting TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, this tool has got you covered. It optimizes your videos for each platform's specific requirements so you can reach the widest audience possible. Check out these amazing success stories from creators just like you. From small businesses to aspiring influencers, people are using this tool to skyrocket their growth and achieve incredible results. With name of the tool, you can easily monetize your content through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even your own product sales. Imagine earning passive income while you sleep. Let's hear what other creators are saying about name of the tool. From seasoned pros to total beginners, users are raving about how this tool has transformed their content creation process. With this tool's built-in analytics, you can track your progress and see exactly what's working. Monitor your views, engagement, and audience demographics all in one place. We get it, sometimes you need a little help. That's why Name of the Tool has a dedicated support team that's always ready to assist you. Plus, they have a comprehensive knowledge base packed with helpful resources. This isn't just another video editing app, it's a complete content creation ecosystem. From its advanced AI capabilities to its seamless integration with other platforms, this tool is packed with unique features. Brand new to the world of video creation? No problem. Name of the Tool has a super easy-to-follow guide that will walk you through every step of the process. Name of the Tool offers flexible pricing plans to fit every budget and need. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, they have a plan that's perfect for you. Plus, they offer a free trial so you can try it before you buy it. Want to team up with other creators? Name of the Tool makes collaboration a breeze. Easily share projects, provide feedback, and work together seamlessly to create even more amazing content. Ready to take your videos to the next level? From mastering the art of storytelling to using advanced editing techniques, you'll learn how to create content that truly stands out. One of the best things about Name of the Tool is the amazing community of creators. Connect with like-minded individuals, share your work, get feedback, and learn from the best. The team behind Name of the Tool is constantly innovating and adding new features to make your life easier. Stay tuned for exciting updates that will take your content creation game to the next level. Running into a little snag? No worries. Name of the Tool has a comprehensive troubleshooting section that covers common issues and provides quick and easy solutions. Get ready to be inspired by incredible success stories from creators who started with nothing and built thriving businesses using Name of the Tool. The world of video creation is constantly evolving, and Name of the Tool is at the forefront of this exciting revolution. Get ready for a future where anyone can create professional quality videos with ease. Name of the Tool plays nicely with your favorite software and platforms. Seamlessly integrate it with your editing software, social media accounts, and marketing tools for a streamlined workflow. It's all about making your life easier and more efficient. Want to save some money? Right now you can get an exclusive discount on Name of the Tool by using my code, your discount code. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your content creation game for less. Concerned about the security and privacy of your content? Don't be. Name of the Tool takes data protection seriously and uses industry-leading security measures to keep your information safe. Name of the Tool is more than just a tool, it's an investment in your success. Learn how to maximize your ROI and get the most out of your subscription. Want to learn more about Name of the Tool and connect with other creators? They're hosting a series of exciting events, including webinars, workshops, and live Quanda sessions. Name of the Tool empowers you to create high-quality videos that captivate your audience and drive results. The value you'll gain from increased engagement, brand growth, and monetization potential far outweighs the investment. It's time to level up your content game and unlock your true potential. So what are you waiting for? Head over to website address right now and start creating your free account. Use my code, your discount code, for an exclusive discount. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.